One of the new cool things about this shock is how big the free piston is. Because of how big it is, it has to move very little during the shock operation. Very cool to see hand adjusters for adjusting the shock on every single adjuster. So low speed compression in the middle, high speed compression on the outside, and then we got rebound on bottom. You can still use a flathead screwdriver in the center if you need to, and you can still use the Torx if you wanted to adjust the low speed compression, but it is very easy to do by hand, so not really a need to do that. Ride JBI will definitely develop a bladder kit for the shock later on, but because of how well and efficient this free piston operates, the improvement that a bladder kit brings is not going to be as much, but it'll be a lot easier to service, again, being a bladder shock versus a free piston. This free piston shock does not utilize any of the latest tools that are aftermarket for charging it. So if you don't have a custom way or the proper tooling to charge it, you're gonna have a challenge doing that. But more importantly, man, this 2022.5 KTM 450 SX factory distance suspension is going to be working way better. By no means is the stock suspension not working well, but the air fork in stock form can leave a lot to be desired even after a lot of the improvements over the years since its release in 2017, well, 2016 and a half on the factory editions. So again, on the forks, we did the WP XACT Pro 6500 drop-in kit, and then we revalved the shock to match the new performance of the front forks and did a new spring to go along with it as well. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. This is one of the many options we have for KTM, Husqvarna, and Gas motorcycles. We got a great air fork kit that we can build for you or also send to you as a do-it-yourself install. And then we have a few spring conversion options as well, such as this spring conversion option by WP and a more technical one from KYB. That's a more technical install and comes with some very good parts as well. Here at Ride JBI, we're not really biased one way or the other. We just like good performing suspension. We like tuning it, developing it, and offering to people so they have options and they can go with whatever sounds best to them. Thank you for watching. Bye.